Hey guys, Krystal here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go ahead and do a few unboxings, but they're going to be in different videos, so if you see me kind of looking the same, that's why. I have all of these right here to go ahead and unbox, but today we're going to be focusing on Boxycharm. This is on the top. So I haven't opened this just yet, so we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Let's just get right into the box. Guys, it is fucking hot as hell over here where I live. It's very humid and it's hot. So if you hear that noise, it's the AC. It'll kick off in a little bit. So this is the box. This is actually one of my favorite subscription boxes, or it used to be, but these past few months really hasn't been like the best. So that's kind of why I really haven't been unboxing either. But anyways, that being said, let's get on into it. So this is La Vie en Rose. That is what that says. And this is what the box looks like. So already on top I see a few makeup brushes. We have received these brushes here before. They're not that bad, honestly. They're kind of they're good as far as I know. Oh my gosh. As far as I recall, like, they're pretty soft and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just like rip this box open, obviously, because I don't know what else to do. However, like, the brushes that come in here, they're not really like my all-time favorite like types of brushes. So we do have a powder brush, which I will probably use, in all honesty, you know. Quick powder, you can probably even bronze with it. It's very soft. The handles are lightweight. They're not that bad. They're not like super heavy, but it is a softer brush. And then for this one right here, this one doesn't have a name on it, but it's super flimsy. I have a few of these brushes and they are not my favorite. I've seen people use it for highlight or even to like set the under eye for them. It says on here that it's a soft glow brush and to sweep luminous glow into the high planes of your face using a highlighter for a look from within. Again, these brushes here are definitely not my favorite. I would probably just use it to like touch up your powder throughout the day or something like that if you're a little bit greasy. So that's what I would use those for. The next thing in here was the other thing that you saw on top, and this is from Wonder Beauty. I think Wonder Beauty has a few hits or misses. I really do like the red mascara that comes in a tube, but I didn't like the gold one. So this is a Lift Up Purifying Brightening Peel Off Mask. I do like peel off masks. They're actually my favorite because I don't really have to worry about anything. My favorite are sheet masks, but then it goes to these here. So maybe I'll use it, maybe not. I don't really want to like open it because it expires in 6 months. And I have so many face masks right now. So I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. Maybe I'll use that some other time. So I didn't say the Moda Beauty brushes retail for $29.99 and this here retails for $34. So looking at the box like this here is what's grabbing my eye because it is gold. This is a Peel liquid eyeshadow, and normally with liquid eyeshadows I don't really tend to gravitate towards them unless I'm going for like a, you know, like a natural kind of makeup look, maybe like something like for today. Either that or I go for them for when I'm trying to do like a cut crease or something. But on a day-to-day basis, it's not something I grab for. This one here is in the color gold. And let's do a little swatch because I probably will use this. I do like gold and I like glitter. Ooh, girl. So she's pretty. Look at that. Can you see that? She's actually very pretty. I think this would look really cute on the lid by itself. I'm going to blend it out and see how it looks. Dude, you can probably even use this on the face like as a highlighter because I'm that extra, so you can definitely use it like, as a highlight. I hope you can kind of see that. So I would use this as a highlight, and it already dried down, and I really like that. Sometimes liquid eyeshadows or even cream shadows, whenever you put them on, they don't really dry down to a matte touch finish. They stay kind of sticky. This one here didn't. as you see, I'm like rubbing my finger all over it. It is a little transferable, but it's not sticky or anything like that, which would lead me to believe that it doesn't really crease that easily. So that's a plus for me. And this one here retails for $21. The next thing in the box is a liquid lipstick. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick from Ofra in the shade Monaco. And this is what it looks like. I'm definitely not going to open this one here because I don't gravitate toward liquid lipsticks. They're just not my favorite at all. So I'm going to be putting this into a giveaway for you guys. You guys know that whenever I don't use a product that I don't like and I receive through these boxes, I put them in a giveaway or I give them to a loved one. So the next thing in here is wrapped up in this foam, and I can already see that it is from Cover FX. Cover FX is, it's an okay brand. It's definitely not my favorite. It's supposed to be high-end, but it's not one of my favorite ones. This is the Protector Face palette, and it comes with a few things in here. This one is in light medium. And this is what it looks like right here. So it says Starlight Highlighter Moonbeam Brightener, Divine Highlighter, Silhouette Contour, Stellar Finishing Powder, and Sublime Blush. Just looking at these, the finishing powder seems a little pinky, so it probably wouldn't be for me. I'm gonna swatch the highlighter because the highlighter looks a little promising. See what this looks like, but it's not promising it. I mean, it's definitely more of a subtle highlight, and I prefer blinding highlighters. This is the brightener, and it's like more for paler skin. I think this is probably better for paler skin, in all honesty. That's what they look like. As you can see, the middle one, the brightener, looks a little bit frosty on me. So I don't really like that one. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna swatch the other two really quick as well. So I'm gonna swatch the contour, which is very soft. So I'm actually I wonder how that's gonna look. The finishing powder and the blush. Honestly, I think my undertone is kind of what throws everything off. I have an olive undertone with a little bit of like yellowish to me. So that's why a lot of these things will look ashy or even, you know, just wrong. That's the finishing powder. As you can see, it looks a little bit ashy. It's kind of like on the pinky side. The blush and the contour. I don't think the blush and the contour are really that bad. In all honesty, I may fuck around with the contour a little bit to see how it looks, but it seems like it's just one of those powders that whenever you blend it, it just like goes away. And the blush, you know, she's sticking, so the blush might be like the best product in this entire thing, but you guys know that I'm not really a blush kind of girl. So yeah, I'm not too sure I'm going to keep this. I might actually give this away to a loved one since I stuck my fingers into it. So yes. And that is it for Boxycharm, you guys. If you guys were wondering, the Cover FX palette does retail for $45 if you are looking for it in stores. I'm not too sure if they'll have it, but it's there. Yeah, so that is it for this month's Boxycharm. Let me know what you guys got. I want to see if this is the #1 curated box, if you were wondering. Let me know what you guys got in your boxes. Did you get this as well? Did you get a different shade than I did? I want to know what you received. For me, this box wasn't really like that exciting, in all honesty. I do like the brushes. Those brushes were nice, and I really do like this here, so that is great. And then for peel off masks, I just have so many masks, but if you weren't a skincare junkie like I am, this right here would probably be really nice to receive as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside, and yes, let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. Let me know what you got as well, and if you liked anything in this box, let me know. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell button so you can get notified of all of my videos. I do a bunch of different videos here. I do a lot of beauty related as well as lifestyles and art videos. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching and supporting me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.